Hi, what is the first thing which you should learn when you're learning the Dutch language? The Dutch alphabet, right? Not necessary. Why? Let me explain it. Maybe you know some Dutch words and some Dutch letters already. I'm going to give you one Dutch letter. Please write it down. Are you ready? E. Did you write this letter? It's not the Dutch E. This is Dutch E. This is the first reason why you should learn something else. The second reason is this. This is Dutch A. And this letter could be pronounced differently in different words. Here you pronounce like Eduard. And here you pronounce like dame. Another example. Here, another letter. You pronounce like cake. And here you pronounce like docent. So what should you learn? You should learn Dutch phone alphabet, which is telephone alphabet. In the Dutch phone alphabet, each letter is connected to a Dutch name. Here's an example. A van Anna. It means A from Anna. I want you to learn Dutch letters and Dutch names together and remember them also together. So every time when you hear E, you should say to yourself, E van Isaac. I want you to connect the sound to the name and learn them together and use them together. And A van Eduard. You see, that's why you should learn Dutch phone alphabet. First, I want you to go to our website and download this template. This is Dutch phone alphabet. You will find here all letters and here all Dutch names. I'm gonna give you Dutch pronunciation first, and I want you to write it down like you hear it, using your own native language. Like this. Dit is the letter K. You can write down like this. K. You can find the link to our website in the description below this video, and you can download this for free. So first we're going to start with pronunciation of letters. Are you ready? So please write it down like you hear it. You can use every language you like. It's up to you. The most important thing, I want you to be able to pronounce, to reproduce that sound, right? And if this sound is already known to you, you know the sound, it's the same sound in your language, skip it, alright? So let's start. A, please write down. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, I, Z. Now I'm going to read the Dutch names, and I want you to write them down in this column. Use your native language and write them down like you hear them. Let's start. A van Anna. B van Bernard. C van Cornelis. D van Dirk. E van Eduard. F van Ferdinand. G van Gerard. H van Hendrik. I van Isaac. J van Jan. K van Karel. L van Lodewijk. M van Maria. N van Nico. O van Otto. P van Pieter. Q van Kursend. R van Rudolf. S van Simon. T van Theo. U van Utrecht. V van Victor. W van Willem. X van Xantippe. I van Epsilon. I van IJsbrand. Z van Zaandam. Okay. This is not a letter. This is a combination of two letters. And the pronunciation is exactly the same as this. I. Now, I want you to make a copy of this sheet and put your copy on your fridge. Why? Every time you would like to drink something, check your phone alphabet. Why do you need this? When you're going to make an appointment in the Netherlands, you need to call. So they're going to ask your name. Your name is a foreign name for them. And Dutch names also foreign names for you. You need to be able to spell your name. And how do you do it? You're asking this question. Kan jij jouw naam even spellen? Can you spell your name? Dit is een formal question. Mijn naam is Philip. P van Pieter. H van Hendrik. I van Isaac. L van Lodewijk. I van Isaac. P van Pieter. P van Pieter. E van Eduard. Wat is jouw naam? What is your name? Kan jij jouw naam even spellen? Could you spell your name? And please post your name in the description below, in the comments. Now we're going to exercise. Now I'm going to show you how you can practice your pronunciation. First, you need to go to our website dutchacademyeindhoven.nl. Then you're going to learn Dutch for free. How to learn Dutch. You can download our book if you like, it's free. But now we're going to how to learn Dutch alphabet. Then we're going to open our PDF. Next, we're going to open Google Translate. So, how do you use Google Translate for learning the Dutch pronunciation? Here's an example. How do you pronounce this letter? You type it first. Then make sure you choose Nederlands, Dutch. Then you click Listen, luisteren.
C.
One more time.
C. C.
Then you're going to try to pronounce this letter. Say. Next, how do you pronounce this name? going to listen first.
Cornelis.
Now I'm going to try to pronounce this name. Cornelis. This way you can practice your pronunciation. We have also another tool. You can download this free file and listen to it on your smartphone. You click here. Then you click here and click on download. Now I have a question for you. Kan jij jouw naam even spellen? Can you spell your name? Please post your name in the comments below.